You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. This is also a word. This is two things. This is a programming language for IT, for computers, and it's a type of snake, a species of snake. Two pronunciations as well, and they're interchangeable. It's not like one is the snake, the other is the programming language. They just are two different pronunciations. So those are Python. This is probably the most common pronunciation in British English, especially Python with an on sound. Okay, Python. It's always pi, not p. Python. The second pronunciation is as Python with a schwa sound, an un sound rather than on. Okay, so Python, or it can also be pronounced as Python. The most common one is probably Python, but now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.